the ingredients in Sugarlina Bakeshop.
And a little bit of sugar and a little bit of spice.
Yes, it's Sugar Man right here. It's Bobby Moldero Jr. and he's back. But we're really talking about this type of sugar and spice, the gingerbread house making classes.
You know, it's all about making memories. So coming here to Sugarlina and creating this beautiful piece of art, this is what it's all about.
Yeah, it's art you can eat. I love it. So it's going to be on December 14th and 15th. You have two options, 3 p.m. each day, 10 spots available per day.
My God, call them now. It's going to go quick.
It is. So put your reservations in by December 13th. But really, it is about creating memories.
My goodness.
And we can eat this. I'm so excited.
And we can eat this. We can kind of add on to it. We can make a second floor. We could do a basement. We could do an attic. Come on, let's do it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's
this is the type of house that I can afford. So let's get to it.
Let's do it.
All right. Well, okay, they did the hard part for us already. They put the gingerbread together. That's the tricky part.
Hurricane clips and everything. Yeah, so this bug is really put well together.
Now all we have to do is decorate it.
Okay,
so
I love it. Okay.
Oh, whoopsie.
Okay, I think we need the glue.
Oh.
This is the glue. Woman, you gotta get the cement over here.
Got it.
Okay, so are we ready to
ready to rock?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, this is what we're aiming for.
That is what we're
inspiration,
aiming for.
Okay?
Yeah. Bam. Look at
wow, that's the chimney. That is a beautiful chimney.
That is.
This is the fun thing. You can get creative. You don't have to be perfect about it.
And what's fun is demolishing it when we're done and eating it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, because
that would have been my favorite. Being a young boy, that is exactly what I would love to do. I'm gonna put him right here.
You would love doing that now.
I would actually.
Yeah.
But you know, it's just a boy thing, okay? Look at this.
One of the most incredible things about Sugarlina Bakeshop is that everything is baked in-house. I'm talking the gingerbread, the cupcakes, even down to the icing. Everything is made right here.
That's amazing. And if you don't get the reservation to come in to make these beautiful art pieces, you still can come in and enjoy the beautiful cupcakes, enjoy this beautiful place.
Did you see the tres leches over there?
The red velvet is mine. It's like winking at me. Look, you see how it winked again? It's winking at me.
Okay, you better wink at it.
No, I'm scared. I'm trying to.
And then they also have some holiday favorites coming in for the month of December. And that's going to be the peppermint mocha cupcake. And they also have the gingerbread.
So you guys got to come and be a part of that. This is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
You could be a roofer, you know that? You did really good.
Thank you.
Oh, goodness.
I mean, it's not a gingerbread house if there aren't any gumdrops.
You got to put the gumdrops.
Let's see how colorful.
And that's what this is all about. It's just getting creative. Almost done with mine over here.
Lies.
How's yours turning out?
Mine's is turning out good.
Yeah, I'm almost done. I did this a little earlier. And I just wanted to kind of show Rachel how it's supposed to be done. And she's trying. A for effort, Putinha.
No, look at this. Okay, you're gonna be impressed.
She's trying.
You're gonna be impressed by this one.
Yeah.
For the big reveal.
It's like.
Ding.
Oh my goodness! I don't know about that. What is that supposed to be? Lights?
Yeah, Christmas lights. This is mine, and that is Bobby's. Come on in to Sugarlina Bakeshop. Like I said, December 14th and 15th. Get those reservations December 13th. Give them a call. Workshops are at 3 p.m., so it'll be a fun time for you and your ohana. And of course, if you want a whole list of the holiday happenings, make sure you go to their holiday guide, wardvillage.com. We did it again, Bobby. We just did it again.
Let's do it. Happy holidays, guys.